What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to another video, and today we have our monthly Glovebox detail deliciousness. I have obviously removed my identity from this box because I don't need some of you creeping up on my hood. So we're gonna open this up and we're gonna see what this is all about. So that was like a ninja. I'm getting better and better at this. I'm literally almost a black belt, self-proclaimed. You have no idea what's going on in here. Let's check it out. Car Beauty Pro, the professional way. No idea what that is, but this looks cool because I'm a fan of black and red. Color combos get me every time. What the hell? Total retail value, $129. Ceramic coating? There's a coating in here? Get the front door. What? What the hell? There's a pearl applicator, which I just bought those. I have a bunch and they're actually really, really good. Okay. Nice towels, I'm assuming, for application. Are you joking? I don't know this brand, but I'm gonna have to find out. Synergy Paint Ceramic, a 50 ml bottle of paint coating? Are you kidding me right now? Are you kidding me? Guys. What? No way. People don't do this. Applicator? I'm not a big fan of like the suede applicator. So in my opinion, if you did get this box, or if you're jumping on this box, I would get the auto fiber thin savers or use this instead. This is actually not bad. I don't love this more than the thin saver minis just because I like having that type of applicator. This is cool, and it's got the thin saver technology inside of this, which is actually really good. It was a collaboration with the Rag Company and Auto Fiber, and I picked up quite a few of these, and I think that's really just mind-blowing that there's a ceramic coating in this monthly detail box that's like $20, $30. So what kind of value are you getting right now? That's, guys, like, stop doubting it. Go over there, use code OCD. I guess, I think it's your first purchase, you get a nice little discount. You can cancel this stuff at any time, which you never will. You're not gonna. You're just gonna get this box every month and you're gonna be like excited. Okay, so brand matching products, ceramic detail spray. So this is gonna be like a topper, or for you to like clean the coating. I'm assuming this is like a takeover box. No, it's not. Malco final prep wipe. Whoa, okay. If you have like Car Pro Eraser or Geon Prep or Meguiar Surface Prep or any of those, or even if you're just one of those guys that uses an IPA one-to-one type setup to do your final prep, which I always recommend if you're polishing, unless you're using a primer polish and technically a coating that you know for sure will feng shui with a primer polish. This is pretty cool. Epic Ceramic Final Prep. This is right. This is just, you know, this is the whole kit and caboodle here. The whole kit and caboodle. Sprayer for it. Look at this. We got some literature here. So they have different. So they have a ceramic coating for trim, ceramic coating for glass, and ceramic coating for paint, and their detail spray. So this is actually pretty cool. I think we're gonna have to investigate this company a little bit, which is why I like these monthly boxes. I mess with these monthly boxes because you don't know what you're going to get. This completely just took me by surprise. Absolutely blew my mind. You know, there's some months that are just, you know, very low key. You still every month get more value than you pay for that box. So what the guys over at Glovebox Detail are doing is giving you value for your money, right? They're giving you quality products. They're broadening your detailing horizon. And now say you were on the fence about coating your car and you didn't want to have to be like me and buy a million different paint coatings from all these different brands and companies and experiment like I do. I'm just off the wall bonkers. But now you have a paint coating, and not even just a paint coating. They didn't even cheap out and get you a 30 ml bottle like a lot of the products come in or have options to come in. So say you have like a size vehicle like mine, Tahoe. So I just coated, for instance, my Tahoe, and I used about half of a 50 ml bottle. So, you know, if you're experienced with coating, you could get away with it. But if you're new to it, you might, especially in the beginning, first couple panels, you might oversaturate, you might waste product. 30 ml isn't as much as you would think, especially with a larger vehicle, for instance, like my Tahoe. So you could be going through that product quite quickly. So even though I know people that could use 20, 25 ml, so 30 should most of the time be okay, but on larger vehicles, it's always good to have 50. And now, say you have 50 here, I don't know if this can be layered. I'd have to do a little research. It might be a layerable. It could be a one layer. I'll have to look it up. But it is a 2-year coating, which is actually kind of cool because so is this. And I really dig this Hyper Clean Dose. So that's pretty cool. For, you know, I don't trust these coatings. A lot of times they're like, oh, 7, 8, 9, 10 lifetime. To me, coatings, at most 5 years, depending on the type of coating and also how it's maintained. Anybody that says more than that, I get weary, and I wouldn't even mess with that. I would have to, after 3 to 5 years, I would start fresh and reapply, and you're going to lose. Like, yeah, the coating might technically still be there, but it's not going to be as hydrophobic or chemical resistant. I don't know if this is technically hydrophobic to that level or chemical resistant. I'd have to, again, look at all of this stuff, but it says it's a 9H chemical resistant. And okay, well, there you go. There's the answers. It says 9H weather resistant, anti-static properties. That's actually really good. So this is where we're going to have to try this out. Some of these coatings, I just can't stand them because you put them on, they say it's a 1 layer, but you have to have a topper. For instance, like CSL, you top with XOV4, or UK 3.0, you top with Gliss. Without that, you're not going to get the crazy slick. You're going to have a coating that performs well, amazing, and it's going to be super protective for your finish, but it doesn't have that super slick feeling like if you did a wax or a sealant. That, to a car guy, I think is very, very important, almost just as important as the protection layer feel. You know what I mean? Like if you're going to be touching your paint, you shouldn't touch your paint, by the way, but we all touch our paint. Let's be serious. You know, when your hands are clean and you're sitting there at a red light, you know your car is clean, and you just gently touch the top part of your door, and you're just happy because you know your car doesn't feel like sandpaper. If you know, you know. If you don't, I'm sorry. You should definitely step up to your detailing prowess and figure this out a little bit. But Synergy paint, very cool. I'm going to have to find a vehicle to demo this on. And Synergy ceramic detail spray, that puck applicator, again, like I said, I have that and it's awesome. And a final prep wipe, which you can't ever have too much of that. It's good. And there we go, 2 towels. So I'm assuming, you know, 1 to level and 1 to final buff. Again, I use Rag Company pearls. I'm kind of obsessed with the Rag Company coating removal towels. So I usually stick with those, but this is a super, super amazing value for your monthly money. I recommend everybody go down. I'll have the link below this video. Go check them out. Listen, I don't get kickbacks money-wise and all this other stuff. I think the guys over there had a great idea. This is a fun idea, and this mentally got me through a lot of the pandemic because it was something still coming. And, you know, with the world being the way it is, I think we all could use a little bit of a surprise once in a while, and I just got surprised. Go check them out. Thank you for stopping by. If you're new to the channel, please consider subscribing. If you're an OCD OG, I truly appreciate you. And if you are not subscribed to one of these boxes, I truly recommend that you go do it. Do it, do it. Don't delay, don't delay. Code OCD. I don't get nothing for this. Do it. Just go try it out. Do it for a month or two. What are you going to lose? A couple bucks? You're going to get detailing products. You might get ceramic coatings. I think I saw a story. Somebody got a golden ticket. It's like freaking Willy Wonka. I'm going to be doing a backflip if I would have got a golden ticket. I don't even know what the heck the golden ticket for. I would have did it, and I would have been like, I would have probably jumped my big ass up on this table, did a backflip, probably would have landed here and broke my back, but I would have had a golden ticket. I didn't get it. Maybe next time. But this could be you. You could be the next time. Don't delay. Do it today. I sound like an infomercial for a used car dealership. I love you guys. I'll see you guys in the next one.